What's up, y'all? We just got the red thing, the Razor Mx500 completely built. I'm gonna give y'all a rundown of everything we got on it. So first, we got the brakes. We got the RPM brakes, motorcycle brakes, back and front, shoulder front. Beautiful, matching the bike, so beautiful. Y'all know it's beautiful. Second thing we got is the one motor from Electro & Co. This is the Extreme Kit, extremely fast. This is one of the fastest razors in the world. No razor faster than this one. That's how I built it up. But I wanted to prove to y'all that you could build this razor for real cheap. You could build this razor for under $3,000, right? So the second thing we got right up in here, that's the battery, man. That's a 76 volt, 20 amp hour battery we got up in there, right? And the next thing that we got that's gonna blast everything out the fucking world is the Noisy Cricket kit up in here. This is the heart of the bike. So this thing is gonna make this bike go almost 70 miles per hour. Ain't no bike that fast, you fools. Come over here, show them the sprocket. We run it right here. This right here is the 65 teeth sprocket, man. That sprocket make it extreme fast. This is a freaking racing bike. It's nothing to play with. This is very dangerous, and it's only for adults only, not no kids. Come over here, let's see it on this thing. I got this thing fully blast. Let's go. There we go. Speed, oh my God. 67 miles per hour speed, man. Ain't no bike faster than this one on earth. 67 miles per hour. I'm scared, bro. But we gonna do this. I'm doing it for the people. We about to take this bike for a ride. Let me get out of here. Go back to the dashboard. Look at this beautiful dashboard. We at what? It says 90% battery, right? We at 90% battery. It should still push like crazy. So we finna take this for a super ride right quick. You know what I'm saying? I'm put on my belt, man. Cause you gotta always be safe. Always wear a helmet. Man. Here we go. I'm doing this for the people. I'm scared. I'm scared. I'm on one of the fastest bikes on earth, but I'm doing it for the people. Let's go. All right. So I'm gonna go straight down. You catch me coming down. Then you catch me going like 200 miles per hour passing you by. All right. You ready? Check. This bike is made for racing. Whoever want to race, let's do it. This is a studio killer. All right, so we finna go to the headset so I can show y'all how fast I'm going, how I look while I'm on the bike. So we about to go to the headset right now. Taking it for a test ride to see how fast this thing is, but we mainly gonna do what we doing right now. We just testing it out, seeing how it rides, because we just built it, right? So I don't want to go too fast. I don't want this thing to fall apart on me and I fly off, right? So let's hit some corners. Oh yeah, so it's hitting. So y'all see how fast it is? It don't have super torque like my other one. My other one got touchy torque. If I touch it, it's like lifting up. This one you gotta really gas it. You gotta really twist the throttle a lot for the torque. So let's see. 67 miles per hour, that's crazy, bruh. It's crazy fast. Let's see. Look, pulling on that car, bro. I'm gonna hit some corners in the neighborhood. Let me turn around. Yeah, this is a racer right here. This is gonna be my race bike. I think on this bike, you guys, I'm gonna change the tires, and I'm gonna put on and off road tires on it. This is crazy. shits? Crazy, bruh. This mug is crazy fast, man. This is crazy. Woohoo! Woohoo! Crazy fast, bro. Look. Hey, this one is way faster than my other one, man. This is crazy. Woohoo! Fucking battery low, man. Turn that off. All right, let's hit this main street. So this is just a little test run. We're not doing nothing crazy, you know what I'm saying? We're trying to figure out the kinks. So one of the things that I know I need now, I need shocks. I need some shocks on it. So I need shocks on this, right? Because these shocks are a little too spongy. Look at that, bro. Sorry, excuse my cussing. I'm gonna have to edit that out. But for real, y'all, this is crazy. Look at this van. It's the jump out boys in this van. Yeah, I don't trust them. I'm not gonna try to swoop around them on that side. Yeah, so one thing that I know that I need is some shocks, right? So I need a better rear shock. That's what I'm gonna get next. It's a better rear shock. And I want a little bit more torque, so I'm gonna get a bigger sprocket. I probably go to the 72 T sprocket. I'm gonna go for that, and I will get a new chain. So those some of the upgrades I know I need. I need the rear shock. I want a bigger sprocket for a little bit more torque, and then I also want the drop pegs. Some drop pegs that's like probably 3 inches. Yeah, and I got a seat already coming because this seat is a little slippery because I got used to my other bike. So I got that coming. So just 2 more things. Man, it's like so dangerous to ride around these places, man, because these people they be tripping. They be like, then they want to hit you and shit. This is extremely fast. So I built this bike, right, for probably a little bit under 3,000. Let me see, it's 19. Yeah, about a little bit under 3,000. I say about like I'm gonna add everything up. It's either a 3,000 I built this bike, or it's either around 29 or 2,800. It cost me to build this bike, right? And I'm gonna put another 200 in it, 200, probably 250 in it. So I'm gonna put another 250 in it because I gotta get a shock, like I said, a sprocket, chain, and some drop pegs. And then this thing is done, man. This bike is fun too. You know what I'm saying? Come back around this corner. Oh yeah. Yeah, this is nice, man. So it gets up. With no problem at all, man. And on the speed thing, it says 67 miles per hour. Woohoo, this bad boy fast, boy. This is ridiculous, bro. This is stupid fast. And the regen on this one, I wanted to tell y'all, the regen is like totally different than my regen at all. And I got the regen all the way up to 9, and it feel like no regen. You feel me? I guess because my other motor is a bigger motor or something like that, and so the regen is more powerful. You feel me? And it's I got that other one. I had to reverse it. I had to put it on reverse because it's a backwards. Well, it's a motorcycle motor, and I guess the teeth is on the opposite side. So I had to put that in reverse. So the regen on that one is like being in fucking forward motion, and it's hecka strong. Yeah, but this thing is so much fun right here. The red one is fun. I could pull up on anybody on this one and race. Anybody want to get it, they could get it. I will dog them out. This is the racer right here. Yeah, I don't want to go too fast. Yeah, it's good. I swear. This thing goes 67. I don't know how you ride it for 67. You got to stay on the gas, bruh. I couldn't do it. It's wild. I swear, I feel like the tires be like burning rubber, like the sun. So I gotta watch out for these people, man. They be drunk or something, turn on you. This is a rocket. this is it's too much fun, bruh. Yeah, this is fun. So we're gonna shoot back to the house. And it rides so smooth too. But I do want to change the tires. I am going to change the tires, because these tires are so loud. Okay, let me be careful right here, because people don't care. They will run you over because they crazy. Yeah, like this, that will run you over on some weird stuff. Yeah, so it's running good. First little test run, running pretty good. Loving it. Check out the wheelies. Let's see if this bad boy wheelie come to a stop. See if it pick up. Yeah. Yeah, it wheelie, but damn, this fucking seat is slippery. Check out the wheelies. Oh shit. Yeah, it wheelie, but this seat, I don't know why. I gotta get used to this fucking seat. Yeah, it wheelie. So let's do the review of it. Do a quick review. All right. So a quick review of it.